Imagine biting into a fresh, vibrant salad only to be hit with the unmistakable taste of soap. For some of us, this isn't a bizarre hypothetical, it's a daily culinary reality. We're talking about cilantro, that polarizing herb that divides dinner tables worldwide. But why does this universally loved herb turn into a soapy nightmare for a significant portion of the population? Is it a psychological trick, a bad batch of herbs, or something much deeper? Today we're diving deep into the science behind the cilantro soap phenomenon. Get ready to uncover the surprising genetic reason that explains this peculiar taste. This isn't just about cilantro, it's about how our unique biology shapes our perception of the world. So buckle up, foodies and science enthusiasts, because this is going to be fascinating. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cilantro, and why is it so popular? Also known as coriander, this herb is a staple in cuisines from Mexico to India and beyond. Its fresh, citrusy, and slightly peppery notes are prized by many chefs. It adds a vibrant burst of flavor to everything from guacamole to curries. But then there's the other side of the coin. For a certain group, cilantro doesn't offer freshness, it offers an unpleasant chemical taste. Many describe it as tasting like soap, dirt, or even metallic. This isn't just a mild dislike, it's a strong aversion that can ruin a dish. So what's going on in the brains and bodies of these individuals? For years, the explanation remained elusive, leading to much debate and speculation. Some thought it was all in people's heads, a matter of suggestion. Others blamed poor quality cilantro or contamination. But scientific research has finally peeled back the layers of this mystery. The answer lies not in the herb itself, but in our genes. Specifically, it's linked to a group of olfactory receptor genes. These genes are responsible for detecting smells, which heavily influences our sense of taste. One gene in particular has been identified as a major player, OR6A2. This gene codes for a receptor that is highly sensitive to certain aldehyde compounds. Aldehydes are organic compounds found naturally in cilantro. These same aldehydes are also found in soaps and are responsible for their distinct aromas. So, when people with a specific variant of the OR6A2 gene encounter cilantro, their olfactory receptors bind strongly to these aldehydes. This triggers a signal to the brain that is interpreted as soapy. It's like tasting the soap's scent directly on your tongue. This genetic predisposition explains why the reaction is so strong and consistent for some. It's not a choice, it's a biological reality. This is a classic example of genetic variation influencing sensory perception. Think of it like color blindness, but for taste and smell. Around 14% of the global population is estimated to have this genetic trait. The prevalence varies across different ethnic groups, interestingly. For instance, it's more common in people of East Asian and Caucasian descent. It's less common in populations where cilantro is a long-standing culinary staple. This suggests a fascinating interplay between genetics and cultural diet over millennia. Now here's where things get even more interesting. While OR6A2 is a primary suspect, it might not be the only factor. Scientists are exploring other olfactory and taste receptor genes. It's possible that a combination of genetic variations contributes to the soapy taste. This makes the phenomenon more complex than a single gene switch. Furthermore, the intensity of the soapy flavor can vary. Some people might find it mildly unpleasant, while others are utterly repulsed. This could be due to variations in how strongly their specific receptors bind to aldehydes, or perhaps other genetic factors are modulating the intensity. So, what's the truth versus the hypothesis here? The existence of the OR6A2 gene variant and its link to aldehyde sensitivity is scientifically established. This is the primary, well-supported explanation for the soapy taste. The idea that it's only this gene or that it's the sole determinant is still an area of ongoing research. The exact percentage of people affected and the precise interplay of all involved genes are hypotheses being tested. But the core reason? It's genetic. It's not in your head, it's in your DNA. It's a powerful reminder that our individual experiences of the world are incredibly diverse. Even something as simple as enjoying an herb can be a unique biological journey. So next time you encounter someone who despises cilantro, don't judge. They're not being difficult, they're experiencing a different reality. They might be genetically predisposed to taste soap in your beloved herb. It's a fascinating glimpse into the genetic lottery of human perception. This understanding can foster empathy and appreciation for our differences. It highlights how our biology shapes our preferences in profound ways. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of human genetics. And it's a reminder that taste is a complex symphony of chemistry and biology. So the next time you're enjoying a dish with cilantro, or perhaps grimacing at it, remember the genes at play. It's a small piece of the vast puzzle of human individuality. Isn't science amazing? It explains so much about our world. It helps us understand ourselves and each other better. From the smallest gene to the largest galaxy, there's always more to discover. And we're here to explore it all with you. If you found this explanation illuminating, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have strong feelings about cilantro, share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear if you're a soap taster or a cilantro lover. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science explainers. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Join our community of curious minds. We explore the why behind everything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring the wonders of our world. Until then, embrace your unique taste buds. They're a wonderful part of what makes you, you. It's a delicious reminder that our senses, while seemingly universal, are as unique as our fingerprints. So whether you love it or hate it, cilantro offers a fascinating window into the intricate world of genetics and flavor. And that's the science behind why cilantro tastes like soap for some and like heaven for others. This genetic tale truly highlights the diversity of human sensory experience. It's a delicious reminder that our senses, while seemingly universal, are as unique as our fingerprints. It's a small yet profound example of how our DNA shapes our everyday lives in ways we might never expect. So next time you're enjoying a meal, remember the incredible genetic diversity that makes every bite a unique personal experience. It's a flavorful and sometimes soapy testament to the power of our genes. It's a tiny detail, but it reveals so much about the intricate tapestry of human biology. So the next time you encounter this divisive herb, you'll know exactly why it's such a strong reaction for so many. It's a small yet profound example of how our DNA shapes our everyday lives in ways we might never expect. And that's the fascinating science behind the great cilantro divide.